Hey everyone, Tyler here, and welcome to the first video for Scriptfox, a teleprompter app that I designed specifically for me because there's nothing out there that could do exactly what I wanted it to do, so I decided to build it. So no fancy presentation, I just want to show you what Scriptfox is all about and how you can use it right away. Let's go ahead and take a look. Here is our home base. This is where everything lies, and on the left hand side you're going to see the scripts. You can have voice recordings, you can do screen recordings, which is exactly how we're recording this video, and you have your analytics, which we'll get into here in a second. Right in the center is where everything is. You can see all of the scripts that I've written, the ones that I've published, ones that are ready to be recorded, and ones that are currently in the editing phase, which is actually this one right here. It just happens to be I did a practice run, so it changes it to ready. It's auto changes the status. But here's the thing about it. Once you create your script, you read your script, and you upload your script to YouTube as a solo creator, you can actually take your URL from YouTube, drop it into here, and you can begin to see all of your stats, everything that you've done, and how well that video's doing. Now, I took it a step further that I'm really excited about. You can actually take your transcripts, download them from YouTube, line it up with the transcripts and the script from Scriptfox, and you can actually begin to see where you have really good retention and where you're lacking in retention, and it will help you analyze in a more detailed way, way better than what YouTube can, on where you can improve as a content creator. So I'm really excited about that. We're going to be building that out more as we have more users here on the platform. But let me show you where the real moat, where the real value, and why I decided to create this. Up on the top, you can create your new script, but we're just going to go to one that I'm already working on, which is actually the script for this video. I'm actually not using a script, but we are in the editor right now, and on the right hand side you're going to see the AI tool that can read your script. It can give you suggestions for your script. It can actually modify and change your script by just having a conversation with your AI tool on the right hand side. That's included with the Scriptfox Pro subscription. Now, two things I want you to look at is on the left hand side you're going to see a coaching tool. It's going to tell you how well it thinks you're doing on the key factors that should be in every video if you're a solo content creator. And then on the right hand side, you're going to see the tag with AI. This is very important that you make sure you're tagging the tools. I've already tagged it, because this is what gives it the ability to track your retention later on when the video is posted. Now, once you've created your video, let me show you where the magic happens, and that is in the teleprompter. This is why I made this. What you're going to notice right away is the glowing fox on the bottom right. It's telling you it's ready to hear your commands. You're going to see that glowing fox go away. Now as I begin to read, it's going to follow my voice. But as you can note, it's not following my voice. What's happening right now, it's thinking that I'm trying to be on script, so it's slowly moving. But the reality is it's waiting for me to start. Once I start talking or once I start reading, it's going to follow my voice. Hey, Fox. I said, hey, Fox. So, hey, Fox actually turned on. I didn't mean to do that. Hey, folks. This is the first one, the first video under the Scriptfox brand. So, I wanted to do this the way I wanted to do it for me. No big pitch, just me showing you what I built and why. Now, here's why. As you can see, it's following my voice, but the moment I stop and go off script, it stops. It's now waiting for me to get back on. I've recorded a lot of videos, and for years, the teleprompter was the enemy. You set the scroll speed, you start talking, and 10 seconds in, you're either racing to catch up the text, or you're sitting there waiting on it like you're stuck at a red light. Either way, it's going to follow my voice however fast I talk or however slow I speak. Now, what happens if you make a mistake? Either way, it shows on camera. You get what the glassy road out. You can actually start over. Hey, Fox, restart this section. and it will go back to the beginning, ready to go. Hey folks, this is the first one, the first video under the Scriptfox brand. And apparently it heard me say Fox, but it realized it didn't, and it actually caught up. Hey Fox, go to the next section. And the nice thing about this is it's going to follow you without you having to get up, lean forward, use your mouse, use your computer, or do all these extra things. It's going to follow you without you having to use any tools but your voice commands. This is what I'm so excited about, and I'm excited that you get to participate in it. If you are interested in checking it out, you can go to getscriptfox.com. You can check it out there, and I hope to see you using it on your next video. God bless.